morning, retail fam, and welcome over again, trading crypto. Welcome, retail fam. We're gonna do live today. I'm gonna give some tricks, some tips about trading. I had some DMs from one of the free private group members, and I think he's not getting it right. So I decided to do this vid, give you guys some tricks. Gonna talk about the markets. Gonna talk about how we are nailing it over and over again. It's really incredible. We're gonna talk about some undervalued altcoins. Well, that's about it. Thumbs up if you can hear me, please. Let the retail fam join and we're gonna start and get in. Yes. I told you 63 was coming. I told you yesterday in the evening. I told you. Well, there it is. Thank you, Digital Pro. Welcome, guys. What do we got in the chat over here? What we got, our retail fam in the chat. What do we got? We got Mitch. Good morning, bro. Never doubted you. I know, bro. I know you have been with me from the beginning. Mario, good morning. Mario, the truck driver, is over here. Obluda. Danny Dix, good morning, bro. Martin G. Andrew Scott, good morning, bro. Gaz, yes. Gracias, Riff Pop. Good morning from Southern France. I envy you, Riff Pop. Southern France. That's a beautiful place to live in. ADC AM. Now week. Alco Pops. Welcome, Muhammad Ali. Obluda. BTC just lost 64. Obluda. Did you watch my live stream yesterday in the evening? If you watched it, you would know. You would have the answer to what you just. BTC just lost 64. Go hoping we can share some insight on that. I share that. You know, I like to share things before they happen, Obluda, not after they happen. So I said it yesterday. So that we've got over here Chick Freak. Good morning, AM. The music is making me pop on a Friday. Yeah. The one that keeps asking me about the music, I shared it like 10 times. You just have to. It's DJ Tahar Pro. It's an Algerian guy. The guy, you know, I like Algeria. I've got some things going on in Algeria and I love Algeria. And this guy, he's a DJ and he mixes up a lot of music with beats together with a lot of Algerian RAI music. So that's the music. I'm heading in to the gym, Chick Freak. Oh, that's a lot of gym for you, Chick Freak. That's a lot of gym for you. Okay, well, welcome, guys. Everyone that's here, appreciate it. And I keep repeating myself. The ones that are over here are the ones that are probably going to change their lives financially. Because, you know, that's why I was a bit hard in the morning on my Twitter. You know, I just don't get it. It's really mind-blowing. When I scroll through my Twitter feed, what I see is, it's not only today or yesterday, the week before, it's for years now. You know, when I go through those feeds and I see all these influencers, and I see all those retailers over there, 10,000, 20,000. I don't know if they're for real. Maybe they're bots. Maybe they're paid. I really don't know. But either way, you've got those shows on YouTube also. 20k, 30k, 40k, 50k viewers or live viewers. I also don't know if those are real people, by the way. Those could also, because guys, keep in mind, since the team started investigating the marketing things on my YouTube channel on Twitter, you guys will be blown away about how much scams there are over there. Paid views, paid subscribers, paid reposts, paid comments, paid, it's just, there are so many groups over the world. These are verified accounts. They just, you pay them like, and it's not a lot of money. It's not a lot of money. You pay them small amounts of money. And these are organized groups. They have got like 2K, 3K, 4,000, 5,000 people. And what they do is they view, they come into your lives, they subscribe, they make comments, they also on Twitter. It's mind-blowing, mind-blowing. I just, you know, I'm not saying that anyone does this, but I'm just saying, guys, I'm just saying it's over there. It's all happening over there. But you know, the thing that keeps blowing my mind, you know, I keep giving the macro predictions. I keep giving even short-term predictions. And, you know, never doubt me. And by never doubt me, I could be wrong. I'm no machine. I'm no oracle. I could be wrong. But I'm right at least 80% of the times. 8 of the 10 times I'm right. And then I keep asking myself, how is it possible? How is it possible that someone that keeps giving you info, an alpha that saves your money and even can make you a lot of money, and has got like, whether we've got 25 people in the live. On my views on YouTube, sometimes 2K, sometimes 1,500 views, whatever. On Twitter, it's just, I just don't get it. I just don't get it. And this is also the reason, I'm going to be honest with you guys, this is also the reason why retailers will always be wrecked. It's just like I said on Spaces. If you would just go back to the Spaces that I was invited in, everything I said over there has come true the past days. Everything they have been saying didn't come true. It's just as simple as that. So I just don't get it. I just don't get it. And also something else for you guys to understand in this thing is, you have to understand this. The motivation for an influencer, especially one that is famous or has got a lot of followers, they always need to keep you hopeful, as bad as things look. And why is that? Because that's how they make money. If I tell you, listen, things are looking bearish, just like I did yesterday, past weeks, and the vids that I make. It could be that retailers will just leave crypto or just don't go trading or investing. That's bad for the industry. It's bad for them because, you know, they are making money out of the YouTube views, on the sponsorships, etc. I am not. I don't give a damn. But they do. So even if they see very bearish signs, they will not tell you because they need you in. They don't want you out. Okay, enough about that. Let me see Bitcoin. What do we got over here? Bitcoin is very simple, guys. I keep repeating myself. There was someone from the free private group. By the way, guys, if you want the indicator and you want to get access to the free private group, I keep repeating myself. There's a link below. There's a link below. We've got Blowfin now. Blowfin, I really don't get it. There are so many retailers so excited about this Blowfin exchange. I've been testing it yesterday. I didn't make a trade yet, but it's very smooth. It's just like that guy said. These Blowfin guys are focusing on to get the app and the trading web page so easy to use that they're doing something great. But Blowfin below, so just get an account, start trading, active trading, funded account, and you'll get access because the team will maybe tonight, today, or tomorrow morning, they'll be adding everyone that fulfill the requirements for the free private. So that it will happen today or tomorrow. So let me get back. Bitcoin. Guys, it's very simple. I've said it again and again and again. if we are below this freaking indicator, that's when you have to be bearish. It's just as simple as that. And there are many other charts to watch before you go real bearish and have the guts to go on Twitter and say, I'm bearish and I'm adding to my shorts, because it's dangerous to say something like that, because if it works the other way around, I know they will burn me. But you know, I don't care. I just say it and, well, I nail it over and over and over again. So if I will get it wrong sometime, please burn me. I love that. I love just burn me. Tell me, MW, you are wrong. Just tell me. I love that. But guys, this is what the video is about today. How to make money in crypto trading. And a lot of retailers, that's the biggest problem with retailers. Retailers, they are in crypto. They think that crypto, they can only make money when charts go up. Facts. Tell me in the comment. If you just tell me in the comment. It's just how retailers are, because they are brainwashed by the communities, the influencers, and the marketing machine like that. They think that you can only make money on the way up. Let me tell you this, the team makes more money on the way down. Think about that. Just think about that. The team makes more money on the way down. They just let the FOMO hit in, and then they, just like I've been sharing past months on all those meme coins, all those bad coins, all those, when they topped out, I tell you, okay, this is now the moment to start shorting it. And all those people, they're all, some have made their first $1 million trading. This is how you make money. So it's not only going up, it's also going down. So when markets are bearish, a lot of crypto retailers, what they do, they leave the markets because they're wrecked. Why would you leave the markets and why would you be wrecked? Stay in the markets and take it day by day and make money day by day. What have I been teaching you guys for months now? Make money every day. It doesn't matter. Bitcoin up, Bitcoin down, it doesn't matter. If you don't leverage trade and you don't short, then this video is not for you. So make money every day. It's about how much money am I going to make today. And you have to plan about what's going to happen tomorrow. And not like all those guys keep telling you what happened yesterday or the week before. No, that is not going to make you money. What's going to make you money is what's going to happen today and what's going to happen tomorrow. That's how you make money. It's all about money. So I'm going to give you guys some tricks about how to read those. And let's just take this chart. Let's just take this chart as an example, because there are some new viewers, some new retail fam members coming in, and I know that many from the free private know this already, but for the ones that are not in the free private, I'm gonna show you guys a very, very easy way how to read markets and how to determine how to be out of the markets, how to be shorting or longing, because it's all about being offensive or defensive. So let me use this chart. What I'm gonna do, first of all, I'm gonna remove this. First of all, you always zoom out. When we zoom out, in this case, I'm not going to the weekly or the monthly, just the daily. Well, the daily, we've got our indicator, that's our best friend. That's our best friend. Our best friend is the indicator, it all starts over there. This is our best friend. What have I been teaching you? When we're above it, remain bullish. When we close below it, that's when you have to be bearish. So over here, above it, bullish, bullish, bullish. Close below it, here is where you have to be cautious. Over here we got this retest, this scammy pump up, and then, well, boom, 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 boom. So when you know this on a bigger time frame, that's also going to help you on the lower time frames where your pressure will be. Will your pressure be on the downside or will your pressure be on the upside? So when we're below the indicator, you always have to be having your pressure on the downside. So meaning that you have to be hunting more shorts than longs. If we close above it, that's when you go hunt, also use the indicator on the lower time frames, on the upside. Because, you know, this indicator, it's the best indicator out there. I can say it with all proud, I created it, but you also have to know how to drive it. And that's what I'm teaching you now. So when this thing is below it, you have to be hunting down the shorts. Go check the opportunities, what you can short. It doesn't have to be Bitcoin, it could also be other altcoins, a lot of altcoins. So that's when you go hunt. So when it's below it, you hunt the shorts. When it's above it, you go hunt the longs. And that's how you make money every day. So let's just say over here, you start hunting down the short. So let me go to the lower time. So let me go to the 4 hour, for example. 4 hour, for example, what showed us, this would be an entry over here. This is not, because over here we close below it, you wait for the retest. This would be an entry. This was the fake out, so you got stopped out and a small loss. You wait over here, above, below it, and as you can see, we retested it in perfection. You open up your short. And this is how you make money. So don't be scared for this small loss. So let's suppose I went in with 10K, you're probably going to lose over here maybe 50 bucks, 100 bucks. Well, so be it. That's just, you know, you have to take losses. Let the thing decide for you what to do. Over here was the retest, and over here, this dump down would make you a lot of money. You make up for 10 or 20 of those small losses. So over here is where you make money. Over here, well, you got stopped out. Over here you go, because this is on the 4 hour. Over here, again, retest, nothing, retest. Look at this, another short, another short, another short, another short. Over here, another short. That's how you make money, over and over and over again. So that's on the 4 hour. Let me go to the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour showing us? On the 1 hour, how you trade this is very simple. You have to be, first of all, on the charts, guys. The team is working on the trading bot, but you have to be trading on the chart. So over here, for example, this was the entry on the indicator. Boom. Do you know how much money this is? This is a lot of money, guys. Bounce up. This is another entry. Boom. Another entry. Boom. Here's where you get stopped out, maybe break even. Over here, same story. Over here. This was your entry, the retest. Boom. You made a lot of money again. You wait for it, over here, close below it, you wait, over here was the retest, boom, you make a lot of money again. You wait for it over here, boom, you make money again, and over here you got stopped out at break even, and over here you wait for it, we didn't get a retest over here, so you waited, over here was the retest, it gets close, and then boom, you make money over here again. So this is how you drive this monster. And you have to be willing to lose small amounts. If you don't think that you will just go in and every trade you're going to make a lot of money. That's not how it works. And that's how a lot of, just like the one that DM'd me today. He told me, well, wait a minute. I saw on Twitter that you said that the team added to their shorts, but I didn't see anything in the free private group. I share in the free private group the resistance levels, and everyone in the free private group that watches my trading course vids knows how to drive this indicator. And what I share in the free private group is that I am bearish. I share it in the free private. I'm bearish and the bearish side rules. I share it in the free private. So it means when I say that, I give you the direction. I give you the bigger picture. And when you get that info from me, what you do is you open up your chart, and this is what you will be doing. It's on Bitcoin or it's on some other altcoins. It doesn't matter. Just go make money. You know how to drive it. I teach you in the trading course vids how to do it. Well, that's number one. Second of all, how to hunt the best altcoins out there to make money. How? Because you can trade Bitcoin. This is for the real big volume traders, because Bitcoin is not moving very fast, but big high volume traders, this is what they trade. But you have to also keep in mind, how can I hunt those easy targets? And that's what I do. I like, you know, I share trade setups in the free private. I don't share a lot of them, because why? I only share the safe ones. So when I'm really confident it's all coming together, okay, that's a nice long or that's a nice short, that's when I share it. Because why? I've got a responsibility for my community and my free private group members. I do not want that anyone gets wrecked over my watch. So when I share something, know that I did all my homework, like we say in Dutch. I did my homework. That's when I share that trade. And those trades, everyone from the free private can confirm this, I nail more than 90-95% of my trades. There just ain't nobody else doing that. Nobody. Even the paid groups, the VIP with $300-400 a month, they cannot challenge me. They don't dare to challenge me. I've been challenging all the paid groups for like 3 years now. Never was there one of those so-called expert having paid groups that wanted to challenge me openly while the audience is watching. Just come. If you're watching this vid, just come. We are welcome. And you know, when you come, I don't even bother. I just send 1 or 2 members from the team. Just try to win from them. If you can win from them, that's when you'll get to my level. Just do it. Come, show the retailers how great you guys are and why people should pay 300, 400, 500 bucks a month or 100 bucks or 200 bucks, VIP this, VIP that, whatever. Just come, prove to me that you are better. And if you are better, I will be the one paying not 500 bucks, I will pay 1,000 bucks a month. If you can beat me or you can beat any of my team members, just come. You're welcome. If you're hearing this, come. I cannot get it any better than that. But how to do that? So when you go hunt those coins, you have to, when you're gonna hunt some altcoins you want to short, you first of all have to check the tokenomics. I showed you guys already how to chase tokenomics also in the trading course vids. I showed you how to hunt those down. And what you will see is when you see that an altcoin has got a very big, high, fully diluted market cap, means that there are a lot of sellers out there. You can also check on the token unlocks if there are some token unlocks coming up, but those are the easy targets. And I can tell you those are also the ones that the team makes the most money on. Because why? There are a lot of sellers out there. When a coin has got a healthy tokenomic, then it's a bit harder to short those altcoins. Why? Because there ain't a lot of sellers out there. So that's very important to keep in mind. So let me write it up for you guys. So first enough, tokenomics. Let's do TO. Tokenomics. That's what you have to check. So then a second what you have to check are the funding rates. So the funding rates, these are very important. There is also a trading course vids explaining you the funding rates. When you're gonna go and short or long an altcoin, you have to be sure that the funding rates are healthy. So if the funding rates are in red, in minus, it means that there are too many sellers out there and market makers could liquidate you. So you need to understand the game of funding rates. If you don't know what funding rates are and you're leverage trading, just gambling and just doing whatever, that's not how it works. In the free private, there is a trading course vid about funding rates and how to trade and read them. Then you go to TA. You need to do TA. Well, TA, let me just say the indicator. It's very simple. The indicator shows you the way. It's the protector. Then what you also have to check is the hype and events. If an altcoin has got an event coming up, a mainnet, whatever event out there, and you want to short it, it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. So because when the hype goes together with the volume. So when there is a hype or event coming up on an altcoin, it's not very clever or very smart to short that altcoin. You should long it. And how do you long it? You long it with the indicator. The indicator on the 50 minutes, it will help you and just trade the FOMO. So that's also a very, very important point. So over here we've got the, what did we got? We got TA, the TA together with the Indy. I need to get myself a tablet and write this down because this sucks. You need also to have, and the hype, and events. Okay. So, and then another very important one to check, that's the BTC pair. So if you're gonna go into any altcoin to buy it up or to buy it down, watch the BTC pair. Watch what the coin is doing against Bitcoin. So if it's like VeChain versus BTC, you have to go check where are we. If VeChain is very high on the BTC pair, it's also a very good shorting opportunity. If VeChain is very low, getting wrecked, that could give you more confidence to long VeChain, for example. So that's also a very important one. And then the most important, I left it for last, so that's the most important one. It's also BTC related. Guys, if you want to short whatever altcoin out there or long it, it doesn't matter. This is the most important one. You have to always have the BTC chart next to it, because most of the time when Bitcoin goes up, the altcoin goes up. When Bitcoin comes down, the altcoin goes down. So before you're gonna start doing whatever, Suppose that you want to short an altcoin at a certain level. You need to make sure that Bitcoin is not breaking out or doing something very bullish, because he will probably take that altcoin also up. So it means it's very dangerous. It's very dangerous. And you know, Bitcoin gets related to the financial market. So that's another level up. And you know, I think that a lot of people that are watching now and are thinking to themselves, oh my God, I can't do that. That's too much for me. That's too much for me. No, you're wrong. Every single one of you guys can do this. You just have to put some time in it to educate yourself. And when you learn this, and when you do have time, maybe you've got a full-time job, maybe I don't know what you have, but when you do understand this, it goes out. It's just like me. When I go check an altcoin, it happens in a matter of 20-30 seconds, and then I know it's long or short. So fast. I just see it from a far distance. I see when something is shortable or longable, one of the two. Just make money. I see that in 30 seconds. And if you guys take this step by step and educate yourself, guys, you're gonna be winners. I'm the living proof of it. And how do you guys think that I keep destroying any colleague of mine out there that is making shows? I've got a friend of mine. He watches like 5-6 shows a day. And he calls me in the evening and he tells me, Ambi, I just watch your vid. And you know, I really don't get it. He told, why? What's going on? I watched like 5-6 vids. These are accounts with 700k followers, 700k subscribers, 1 million subscribers, 500k, 800k. They just told me to buy Jasmine today. They told me to buy Not today. They told me to buy this today. They told me to buy that today. And then I watch your vid, and you're saying the opposite. He told me, I'm sorry, Ambi, but who do I need to believe? You or you with those 200 views, 300 views, 2,000 views? Or do I need to believe those 6 with millions of views and subscribers? Who do I need to believe? I know you, you're my buddy, I love you, but you know, it's you know, I just don't get it. I need to buy in. It's just what it is. Sorry, bro, I have to trust on them. This was like 3 weeks ago. You know, the guy's cursing on those influencers you can't imagine. You can't imagine how he's cursing on those influencers. And he's telling me, Ambi, sorry, I should have listened. I tell them, don't apologize to me now. I don't need your apology. You know why? Because I've been seeing this for years. When it's already too late, that's when they come back to me. Well, you were right. Well, the money is gone. When the money is gone, your apology is going to do nothing to me. Because why? What's important for me is that you protect your capital and you're making money shorting altcoins instead of longing them. When they say long and I say short based on objective views and everything that I just explained to you guys. That's when I decide to go short on alpha. When they tell you to buy, they tell you to buy based on paid sponsors, paid sales, paid this, paid that. But he told me, but he was buying the coin live. Yes, so? Maybe the owner gave him the money to buy it live. Did you think about that one? Maybe the owner, suppose that I'm Polkadot and there is a very big influencer, go shill it. I will give you 10k or 20k, buy some Polkadot live. It happens, guys. It happens. Don't think that it doesn't happen. It happens. I can tell you for 100,000% sure that it happens. So, you know, that's why in crypto marketing machine rules everything. We small accounts, no matter how good our alpha is, we keep nailing everything. But you know, the marketing machine makes sure that we will get buried. It's just how it is. It's just how it is. So, okay, guys, I hope that you guys learned something about this. Because this is, if you want to go into details, the trading course vids will help you. To get the trading course vids access, it's very simple. The team requires this. You have to be trading on one of the links below. Blowfin, Weex, and OKX. MEXC, I wouldn't take that one for now because we probably maybe gonna close that one up very soon. So it's Weex, Bluefin or OKX. Trade on one of those three and you'll get access, and in the trading course this will all be explained. And don't think that it's going to happen very fast. No, you need to take time. And every day you learn something. Every day you learn something. You learn. Guys, you know why a lot of times I'm watching a lot of shows, and you guys should, I love my privacy. I don't want to show my face. But you guys, if there was a camera, when I watch those shows, I am laughing my butt off. And I'm laughing because there's so much crap getting shared over there. And when I look at something, it's not the same view just like most retailers look at something. I see it directly. So that's about that. Let's get the pause. Give me the question if you need some questions. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to put on some music, and then we're going into the altcoins. Yeah, I think altcoins. Yes, we're gonna go into the altcoins. Why not? Let's do some altcoins, some most undervalued altcoins, and then we're gonna do some. Yes, just put those questions in. If there's some event or whatever altcoin you want me to chart or whatever, just tell me now. Okay, thank you. Let's go to the second part of the live, guys. Let me see. First of all, what do we've got? I wanted to show you guys this. I don't give a fuck who following on X. This is just truth. Let me like my own tweet. I will like it. I will like my own tweet. What do you think about that? I will like my own tweet. Yes. There just ain't no other account. If there is another account, show me. Never doubt me. Yes, 3 hours ago, before Bitcoin went into the 63 levels. I'm still bearish. It's just how it is. Guys, I wanted to show you guys this one. This is why I wanted this chart. This was shared like 4 or 5 days ago. It was at 88. I missed it. It went to, because the markets were closed. That's why we had that scammy pump up. But if you would go to the S&P chart, it will be around this range that I pointed out over here. Guys, if this thing works out, and just gets back to this line, only this line, or maybe even that line over here. Guys, helmets, if this thing comes down, keep it, maybe this is, in my opinion, the most important chart to watch if you're holding crypto. Guys, look where we are. We are over here. We're still over here. Look at this. This is the bigger picture. Look at this. I'm telling you. Okay, I wanted to show you? Oh yeah, this was the P&L from the one that told me, oh, it just went down with 1%. Well, go calculate how much percent this is now. Well, this one I wanted to show you guys. 86 votes. My portfolio is in green. Congrats to these green ones. I love you guys. Red, doesn't matter, keep educating. Wrecked, I feel for you guys. But if you are following me and you voted this and you're wrecked, you're doing probably something wrong and you're not taking my words seriously. So that's really, and we're gonna talk about what the most undervalued coins are. Yeah, I love this pick. This was shared by Brad. When you understand the game, you don't panic. Guys, do you guys feel on my voice or whatever that I'm panicking or that I'm sad about the markets going down? No. You know why? Because I prepare myself before it happened, and most of the times I nailed it. So I don't panic. I don't give a damn. I don't care. You must be always 2-3 steps ahead of the markets, guys. So let me show you guys this one. We're still at 18. Come on, come to the 13, because dominance, by the way, is going up, guys. I was where is it? Over here, guys. Are you seeing this? This is good for crypto, and I already told you this. And this is what you're seeing over here now. The dominance is dropping, and that's because of ETH. ETH is our savior. So what you're seeing over here, ETH started destroying this chart. And I will show you for sure. Let me show you if we're not breaking out. I don't know if we're breaking out. Let me see. Let me go to my ETH. Where are my ETH altcoins? Over here. Let's see, are we breaking out? You see this? This candle, you see, we came to the indicator. Damn indicator, always on the money. So you see this on the indicator, and it wants to break out. Look at this, guys. Look at this. It's just a matter of time and this thing will break out. I almost know it for sure. So if you're a trader of Bitcoin against only hold Bitcoin, don't hold any if you're not holding any fiat, so you're trading just crypto, and you're owning a lot of Bitcoin, keep an eye on this one. You can make a lot of gains on ETH against Bitcoin. And look, and this is the reason why you're seeing that drop on the dominance chart, because there's only one altcoin in the world that has power over Bitcoin. That's ETH. No Solana, no this, no AVAX, no, ETH. And if ETH starts ramping up over here, this is our only chance for altcoins to start shining against Bitcoin. So keep an eye on that one. That's the ETH part. Okay, so that's about that. What did I want to show you guys? No, I think now it's on you. So let me see the question. What do we got over here? Let's see, what do we got over here? Waiting for confirmation. Yeah, they will be checking. People want to lose money. Well, it's their own choice. Let them do whatever they want. Craig, any reason why Pendle CRV are showing a relative snap? CRV dumped a lot because of that, I don't know, the liquidation thing going on. So I think that's why the sellers were gone. Only buyers. And Pendle is ETH related. So when the ETH FOMO starts, Pendle will probably also start ramping up. So I shared it yesterday already. So Pendle, it's because of the ETH narrative, Craig. Watch the live of yesterday. I showed you guys a lot of ETH coins, and they will start, because, you know, I've got the list. You cannot see it on the live, but I've got the list over here from the link coins, and I'm seeing a lot of green from the link coins, although Bitcoin is dropping. So it's the dominance chart. So those ETH narrative altcoins, just like MEXC, I'm seeing, what am I seeing? Because I'm seeing MEXC gaining momentum against Bitcoin. Chainlink is gaining momentum. It's just like said yesterday. IMX is showing some strength. RC is showing strength. Guys, it's the ETH narrative. That's the reason why. Now that you offer, thank you. Thank you. Let's see about it. Thanks for the vid. Thank you. Weekend bounce, possible. Depends on how we're gonna close the markets today, Obluda. It depends on, you cannot make predictions about tomorrow after the market close. Market close, you can see direction where we're heading to, and the charts will show you. If you don't own the indicator is your best protector and your best friend in everything. It shows you everything. FTM, I already did FTM, bro. Watch my previous vids. I did a lot of FTM. Flash Benflan. Well, hello, Flan Benflan. Nice name. Flam Benflan. Yes, I'll ask above. How do you decide to take profits? I made a vid about that in a free trading course vid. I made a vid about how to take profits. I did it. I made maybe like in 2-3 vids. Also on YouTube, I made a vid about that. So go check that one out. Because market cycles, can we touch business potentially being left on the cycle? No, I don't believe in cycles. ADC, it's just me. Why don't I believe in cycles? Because I'm a trader. I don't care if markets go down or up. I'm a trader. What I do is I make money every day. So I don't believe in bull cycles because I think that the narrative of bull and bear cycle is to get retailers wrecked. Because when someone tells you that the bull cycle begun, what will happen? All the retailers will go all in and they just hodl their portfolio until the end and hope to get rich. That's it. That's how it works. And that's how more than 90% of retailers get wrecked. Because they believe in this narrative. Oh, bull cycle started. Oh, the halving just started. Oh, we're going to get rich, all of us. That's not how it works. Nobody gives you free money. You have to be dedicated, educated. You have to protect your mind. You have to protect your money at any cost. It's not just, yeah, well, influencer B or C or D or X, he told me that this coin was going to pump. Let's just buy. And well, I'll see it by then. That's not how it works. And please, guys, if you want to be a trader, you have to get rid of the bull bear cycle mindset. Just take it out of your mind. Just trade day by day. Look what's going on a bigger picture. Anand, the US 500. I showed the US 500 just now, Anand. As you mentioned before, yes, that's a very good one, Obluda. Because if ETH starts showing strength against Bitcoin, start rising up, and Bitcoin starts dumping, what should we do? That's when you should trade the smaller time frames. That's when you should trade. Because you know why? If Bitcoin starts dropping slowly and the dominance start rising very strong, then you can make money on altcoins while Bitcoin is going down slowly. But if Bitcoin makes a big dump down, those altcoins will also, against the USDT, make a big dump down. So that's how that goes. And so how to trade, put seller in the when to take profits. But when to take profits? Why are you guys all the same question of when to take profits? When? Let me just say this: if you see me on Twitter showing something bearish, take profits. Is that an easy one? If you see me sharing on Twitter something bearish, something watch out, be cautious, take the damn money. Please chart Sui and Indian as well. Thank you. Oh, Bluda, you're asking a lot of questions. I have trouble finding which coin to trade. There are so many. Yes. Well, Rosie, I don't know if you're in the free private. In the trading course vids, I explained how you can hunt those altcoins down. Tommy Retail Army, Tommy, welcome, Tommy, my buddy, Tommy. I haven't seen you in a lot of lives. Tommy, welcome, bro, welcome. So happy to see you over here. Analyze, plan, believe, strike. That's just what it is, Tom. Just that, I keep saying it. Analyze, plan, believe, and strike. That's what I do. That's how I make the gains. But you first of all need to educate yourself how to analyze, then how to plan, and then you have to be dead from inside. No emotions, no greed, no nothing. You have to believe, and then comes the last thing, you strike and make that money. Watching live from yesterday now, much appreciated, Greg. Thank you, thanks, mate. Zoran Cole. Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Zoran Cole, come on, bro. Zoran Cole. Am I going to say something about this? Guys, Zoran Cole is just another couple. That's Zoran Cole. It's just, today he's shorting, and then he's right, and then when he's right, a lot of noise, and then people think that they found the next messiahs. That's not how it works, bro. That's not how it works. And when Zoran closed his shorts, because he did that, the team opened more shorts. When he closed his shorts was the exact moment that the team added to their shorts a lot more. And you know what happened? When he closed his shorts, we had a bigger dump. So where is Zoran now? Because that's a pretty big mistake that he made over there. So these guys that give calls based on thin air, without any explanation, without any analysis, without any proof, These guys are just out there for the fame and will get a lot of retailers wrecked. Because when Zoran opened his longs, I think that most of those guys are all in big losses as we speak. And he doesn't care. And by the way, I found out that he's got a paid group also. So someone that got a paid group is not my cup of tea. It's just how it is. Watch it again. Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you guys 3 altcoins and then we're gonna close it up. Near. You know, let me go to my altcoins and then we're gonna let me first of all show you guys. I want to show you guys one altcoin. It was shared today by a retailer that when I asked it on Twitter, I want to show you guys this one, Venry. I want to show you guys Venry. I want to show we already made some money on Venry, but I want to check this coin again. Okay, I want to check the tokenomics of this coin. I didn't check it, so let me check it and then I will give you my honest opinion about Venry. Venry chain, Vayner chain. What's going on with this Vayner chain? Why Vayner? There's something. When is a blockchain platform designed to address the challenges for okay, low cost, low fees, okay, blah blah blah. Okay, guys, this is what I love. When I see a coin like this, this is a blockchain, and it has got like, what does it got? It has got like 200 million market cap, and it's also fully diluted on the same amount. These are the coins that I like. I don't know if Venry is related to the ETH ecosystem. I really have no clue if they have got something, but you know, Venry, we made this nice rise up, and I'm seeing over here, this is the first target, and then we've got this target over here. So I'm gonna buy some Venry. Not now, obviously, not now. You guys know me. I never share altcoin that I buy now, only at lower levels. So Venry at 12 cents to 10 cents, and if it drops down to the 9, 8, I will buy some Venry. So that's about Venry. I want to show you guys another one. I want to show you guys another one. Where is it? Guys, keep an eye on this one, by the way. I've showed you guys this one before. This is a coin. Not a lot of people talk about this coin. There's not a lot of hype. We made a lot of money weeks ago on this coin. But guys, this coin is totally wrecked against Bitcoin, and this is QNT is also, let me check the tokenomics. So this one, you know, guys, you know, I just love those wrecked coins. I don't know why, I just love them. I love those wrecked coins because why? They make me the most money. It's just how it is. You see, it's a 1 billion market cap, fully diluted. Also this. So this one is also looking so good, guys. This one is looking so good. We already hit the box. Come on, don't go up. Don't leave me behind. Go a bit lower. I want to buy this thing. So I want to show you guys this one also showing some strength as we speak against Bitcoin. Look at this, guys. Look at this. But it needs to come into the box. I want my alarm to go off. I want it over here. So LRC is also one to keep an eye on with the ETH narrative, guys. This is a cheap freaking wrecked. So the alarm did not go off. Over here, guys. Let me put it down. Over here, guys. If it comes over, I will be buying. I will buy LRC. This is a bit risky, but let me show you why I would love to buy this loop ring. Dog. Why do I love to? This is, guys, this loop ring is, oh, come on. Masari is so slow, the webpage. Yeah, this is a 240 million market cap. Also the same like Venry, guys. Same like Venry. This is keep an eye on loopring. I'm just saying. So let me go to you guys, your coins. Let me see, what do we got over here? I think we did near well shorting Bitcoin because stock market is too dangerous for them to short at the moment. Well, you have been focusing past days on the lifestyle topic. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, Zoran must chill out. I've been a lot of. Oh, this is a good one. I have been in a lot of paid groups, and it's only then that you realize that once you are with MB, he's actually a G, and this is how it should be across the board in regards to influencers. Thank you very much, ADC. But you know, listen, ADC, I don't know you. I really don't know you. But these are just spitting facts. And if those paid groups are really that great as they say they are, let's go do an open challenge. Show me how great you guys are. Show me how great you guys are. Come, I'm willing to open challenge anyone on Twitter. No problem. Just come. So guys, we're gonna close it up. I want to thank you all for being with me over here. The altcoins that I've been, let's just see. I need to analyze a bit more about the markets. I need to see what's going on. I really need to see how the markets are running. It's going to be a very interesting evening today when the markets open, guys. So a lot of volatility for the free private group members. Take the damn profits. Just take the damn profits. Just to answer the ones that have been telling me when to take profits, I will tell you how to take profits. You have to take profits based on what you see on Bitcoin. Bitcoin, what did I teach you guys in the trading course vids? When you trade whatever altcoin out there, put the Bitcoin chart next to you. And that will, Bitcoin chart shows you when to take profits. That's how it works. That's just how it is. And if you really want into details, you have to be going into the trading course vids. So the ones that want to join in, Blowfin, new partnership, they're giving for the first 200 people some deposit bonus and paybacks and whatever it is. You know, I'm not into those bonus things, etc. At the end of the day, it's about what you're making on those exchanges. And we're going to destroy the Blowfin traders, because Blowfin, by the way, that's what the team told me when by the way, guys, for the ones that are joining in Blowfin also, you know, that was my requirement before I partnered up with them. I told them I want someone for my community as a help desk. So if there's any problem with anyone that used my referral link, I want to have a personal help desk. So they will not go into some call center or just need to wait for whatever. No, I want one person, direct contact that solves the problem for the ones that are trading on Blowfin. Well, I've got one. I've got one. So anyone that is trading on Blowfin, just like on Weex, by the way, we also got our contact on Weex. So Weex and Blowfin are the only two exchanges where we have our direct contact. So if you have any problems with your deposited, with your withdrawal, with your whatever problem you have on those exchanges, just DM me and I will get you in contact. Although I will do it myself. We'll get in contact and we'll solve the problem right away. So not tomorrow, not the day after, no, right away we'll solve those problems. So, but you know, why I like Blowfin, because Blowfin, they've got a system. You have to do some research on that one. There are not a lot of market makers on Blowfin that trade against their own users. It's something very mind-blowing. He was explaining it to me, but you know, I didn't get it right away. But you know, there's something. We are going to destroy a lot of other Blowfin traders over there. I know that for sure. That's going to happen. So, okay, guys, push on the like. I really love you guys, all that have been joining me. You know, I'd rather have 20 or 30 of you guys than I've got like 2,000-3,000 of those. I don't know where they come from. Viewers that are making comments. I think that, I don't know 100%, but most of them are paid groups that get paid to do that activity on those chats. I'm just saying. But you know, that's everyone for himself over here. I'd rather be with you, 20 of you, 30 of you guys, than I'll be with some bots making some comments in my lives. I want to thank you all. The only thing that I ask from you guys is push on the like, leave a comment below, share the video as much as possible. Thank you very much. I love you. Follow me on Twitter. I'll be sharing over there a lot of alpha and dangerous or maybe even bullish things if I see them. Just saying. Okay, guys, thank you very much. We're going to close it up. Bye-bye.
Hey,